Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. One of the learning machines in the learning machine family requested this video to be done today. Okay, just kidding, not that fast, but I was just like, I added it to the freaking videos to do, and here we are. Okay, so this is about creating PopUnder campaigns and on JuicyAds. And JuicyAds is one of the best PopUnder ads out there for specifically just adult marketing in general, which is the cheapest traffic in the world. And if you know what you're doing, you can crush it. So with smart links, let's talk about this. So here is Crackrevenue. Crackrevenue has a smart link generator here. Okay, so basically, here's what we could do. We could select global adult, etc., etc. We could do all sorts of stuff, but they have an option here. They have either dating or global adult or cams. Okay, now the reason I'm wearing glasses, real quick to explain, is just because I was at the fire last night. Okay, and I burnt one of my eyeballs. No, I'm just kidding. A lot of ash got around my eyes, and they're like all black. It looks like I'm wearing mascara, which is really weird. Okay, so I made sure to wear glasses. Okay, and I tried to get it off. It wouldn't come off, so it's kind of weird. Okay, so here we are. Global adult is what you want to do. Okay, now if you want to just do dating, that's great. Dating will convert better than cams with paid ads, in my opinion. Okay, and then the other cool thing, guys, is you can do pop unders by default and earn extra earnings. That's the cool thing about a smart link and any offer on Crackrevenue. Okay, Crackrevenue is a great network. I mean, you can make a lot of money with Crackrevenue if you don't see right there. Okay, back offers and pop unders have made me a lot of extra money just by having them turned on. People will click the back button, go convert on more offers. There's going to be pop unders. You're selling traffic left and right. Okay, and when you do global adult, what happens is it's cheaper than anything because you're literally getting in front of the whole world, and so you're going to monetize everywhere. So here's how you do it. Now, I used to use JuicyAds at one point. Nowadays I use more of PlugRush, XOClick, and propeller ads, okay, for all my PopUnder campaigns, mainly propeller ads. So that clears the air there. Now, JuicyAds is really good. Okay, JuicyAds is a really good network out there, and it's a very powerful network. If you don't see here, you could do direct media buys. So you can literally get in front of, I mean, you could put your ad on a site like this right here. If you have an offer that you believe will convert really well with this traffic, you're going to get 4,000 clicks on average per day. And to directly buy, it's like $500, but on average, that is 2 cents per click. And so it's like, what do you want to do? You know, you got to look for the opportunities here because you can literally buy up opportunities right here, but that's not PopUnder, okay? Those are really mainly banner ads. Sometimes they're PopUnder, okay? You have to look more in depth on those. But what we really want to do is we want to go over here to PopUnder campaigns. Then you want to choose a country. Now, here's what you could do, okay? Multi-country campaigns are available after initial setup. Okay, so once you just click, once you click United States, let's say, you have to agree to all this stuff, and yes, smart links are allowed. Then you can go ahead and set your budget, all this stuff. Your budget can be 100 a day, and then you're like, okay, here's my smart link right here, boom. Okay, where the heck did it go? I think it's right here. Okay, here we are. So there's your smart link, and now full listings are priced by country. You can look at full options available after approval. So what you do, guys, is you select United States and then you get approved. You just have to have some money inside of the account here. Okay, I don't have any right now since I'm not running with them, but JuicyAds is a powerful network. I do recommend it a lot. Okay, and it's definitely worth it because there's not much competition at all with JuicyAds. So it's one of the cheapest by far out there. Okay, now here we are. After you're approved, you get to basically target worldwide. So once they've approved it, you can go ahead and have full options available, and you can contact them, and they respond very, very fast. I remember when I was running ads with them, I mean, they were like on the ball. They were answering super fast. Okay, it's crazy. The other thing is carrier and device type and all the stuff you could basically do. And that's kind of how it works in a way. If I were to tell you any more things about it, you can manage your ads over here super easily. You can contact them quickly right here. You can easily deposit funds with PayPal or a debit card or anything like that. You could sell ads. So if you literally have ad spots to sell, you can do that. But here's the whole strategy, guys. Basically, you're paying for traffic, okay, and you're sending it to a link that's smart enough to know what offer and offers that the person sent might convert on. And then at the same time, you're making extra earnings from just the literally the pop-unders and the back redirects, okay, which happen a lot. Okay, so you're making a ton of extra money. You're basically breaking even in a way with the pop-unders, okay, and the back button redirects. As if this is worldwide, so cheap type stuff that you're running, okay? And then the other thing is, I mean, if you're breaking even just off that, the thing is you get extra profits just from the offers that are uniquely sent to people right here. Global adult. It could be anything they're sending. They just believe the person will convert on it and you crush it, okay? This is a very smart link and it works, okay? So this method is going to make a lot of people rich. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget this. It requires split testing. It requires testing different areas. Sometimes you want to use a tracker, but the cheapest you can get the traffic that's quality, you'll crush it. And as long as the smart links work, and you're set. And I recommend, guys, test this one, and this one with whatever traffic network you're using, whether it be PlugRush, ExoClick, or freaking JuicyAds. Okay, those are the main PopUnder networks. And then Propeller Ads doesn't allow adult, okay, as much. It depends on the offer, but they do allow dating. They don't allow any adult nudity at all, okay? So don't do any of that. I do mainstream with Propeller Ads, okay? I'm talking like e-commerce offers. I'm talking like sweepstake offers work. I'm talking, make money offers or wealth niche offers, which are the same thing. And then health niche and love niche and relationship niches, okay? Those work really well, and Nutra works really well too. And so it's like, you got to have offers. They're such a no-brainer for people that everyone wants and broad appeal, because you can't target guys necessarily you can't target people based off their interests, just like Facebook and YouTube. So you need a very broad appeal offer. But the cool thing about this is it can appeal, each offer is appealing to a different person uniquely to them based off their device type, their connection to the internet, whether it be a carrier or Wi-Fi. It could be a bunch of different things based off location in the world. I mean, these links are smart, okay? So you're taking advantage of something very smart, and you can crush it. This link has a whole page dedicated to it on Crackrevenue. So it works. It makes money. I make money with it. You can make money with it. And, there's specific offers I run, mainly just specific offers, but some of this earnings is from the smart link, okay? I haven't scaled it like insane, but you can absolutely scale it insane, okay? It just requires more testing and figuring out the best countries to use, okay? You can talk to Crackrevenue one-on-one, okay, to figure out what is best for SmartLink, okay? So there you go. That's my advice on it right there. I don't have all the time in the world to run every single thing, every single method I've shared here. And I have a lot more methods for you guys that are super powerful to make you a lot of money, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, learning machines.